Hello, cooking up curry here. So we're going to take a look here. It's squash curry actually. Put some kale leaves in there, kale greens, and so we're going to be cooking up a nice dinner here. In fact, I should probably flip it here a little bit here. So it's just, you can see the kale. Use coconut milk there. Ginger's in here, garlic, onion, and squash. Here I used the acorn squash to make this curry. Oh my god, cook it down now. So that's what I did here. And get some good old jasmine rice. I will serve it over here. Oh boy, got steam in here. So that's what we got for dinner here. So that's it here. That's my little dinner here. Okay.